Are you ready to truly escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here, delivering unparalleled quiet. These aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation that will silence your commute, office, or plane journey like never before, letting you focus on what matters. Sony has truly refined the silence, making these the ultimate choice for peace and immersive audio. Worried about charging? With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music and podcasts will last through the longest flights or workdays without a single interruption. And seamless multitasking is a breeze thanks to multipoint connection, letting you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. If you're looking for the best premium headphones that truly transform your listening, you absolutely need to check these out. Grab yours from the Amazon link below. From critical calls to deep work sessions, or just pure enjoyment, the XM5s are an investment in your daily comfort and productivity. They're not just noise canceling, they're experience enhancing, designed for those who demand excellence from their electronics. Seriously, for anyone seeking an unparalleled audio experience and unmatched quiet, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are the undisputed champion for 2025. Don't wait to upgrade your sound. Click the link to get your Sony XM5S today.